Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. So friends, we are going to start today's class again with the date and the day. So what is the date today? Very good. Today is 20th of December 2021. What is the date today? 20th of December 2021. And what is the day today? Yes, it's the first day of the week and it is Monday. जी, तो आज कौन सी तारीख है? 20 दिसंबर 2021 और दिन कौन सा है? जी हाँ, ये है पीर का दिन. So kids, we are going to start today's class with very interesting activity. So friends, can you see? Here I have some tissue rolls. What is this? Yes, these are tissue rolls. And on these rolls, here are some letters. As you can see, आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं letters? So now what we are going to do, we have these letters and these all letters are capital. ये कौन से letters हैं? ये alphabet है हमारे पास जो कि capital है. And now what we are going to do, inside this roll we have another roll and on this roll we have these alphabet again and these are small. ये आप देख रहे हैं एक टिश्यू रोल के अंदर दूसरा टिश्यू रोल है जिसके ऊपर आपको स्मॉल लेटर्स नज़र आ रहे होंगे. ठीक है, फिर से मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. These are capital letters P, O, N, and inside this roll we have small letters. So now what you are going to do, you have to rotate this. ऐसे आपने इसको घुमाना है and then find out, try to match the capital one with the small one. जैसे आप ये देख सकते हैं, we have capital P and small p. The same we have on other tissue rolls. Here again we have this S and now we are going to rotate this one and this is capital and small s. Here we have F, E, D and inside this roll we have this F, G, E, D. तो आपको समझ में आ गया कि कैसे करना है, इससे कैसे एक्टिविटी करनी है कि हम इसको ऐसे करके रोटेट करेंगे और फिर कैपिटल को स्मॉल के साथ मैच करेंगे. So kids, it's very easy to make these kind of activities at home. आप भी ये बना सकते हैं. These are simple tissue rolls. टिश्यू के अंदर से जो ये रोल, जब टिश्यू पेपर ख़त्म हो जाते हैं और ये रोल बच जाते हैं, इनसे आप इसी तरह से इसको फोल्ड करके यहाँ पे लेटर्स लिख लें और कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल एक्टिविटीज़ जो है वो इससे आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, नाउ Now we have some matching activity. As you can see, we have some small letters and capital letters. Now we are going to join the small one with the capital. So this is letter A. Good. Which letter is this? Yes, it's letter A. Now we are going to match capital A with the small one. So where is the capital one? Can you find out the capital one? Yes, here we have the capital one. So we are going to join this with the small a with the help of a line. Okay, now the next letter is letter L. Which letter is this? L. And where's the capital one? Yes, here we have capital letter L. So we are going to join this L with the capital one. And now we have, yes, it's small e. E. So we are going to join the small one with capital. And here we have G. Yes, it's G. And where's the capital G? Yes, here we have the capital one. So this is capital G. Which left? M. Which letter is this? Yes, it's M. And now we are going to join the small one with the capital. Where's the capital one? Yes, capital M is here. So we are going to join the small with the capital. Good. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write the capital with small. So you have capital A and small a. So here we are going to write A with A. The next we have L. L. So again we are going to write letter L. And the small one L. And the third one is E. E. E with E. Then G with G. G. and at the end we have M and M. Capital M and the small one. So kids, this is how we have to write and we have to complete this activity. इस तरह से आपकी राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी और आपको कैपिटल और स्मॉल की पहचान भी हो जाएगी. Now we have another activity. Here we have some cards. One by one, you have to tell me the next word starting with this letter. Okay? So, which letter is this? Yes, very good. It's S. And what is this? Yes, sun. S, sun. S, sun. So, can you find out any other word start with letter S? Quickly. Very good. Snake. Sun, snake. Which letter is this? B. Very good. What is the sound of letter B? B. B. Very good. B. B. Butterfly. Very good. It's butterfly. B. B. Butterfly. Now it's your turn to find out any other word start with letter B. Ball. Very good. Butterfly. Ball. Which letter is this? Good. It's N. Nest. Nest. What's your word? अपना कोई वर्ड बताएं जो एन से स्टार्ट होता है. Nose. Very good. Nose. And what is this? Which letter is this? Yes, it's letter F. 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 Frog. Frog. So your word is good. Fan. Very good. F. Frog. F. Fan. Which letter is this? Yes, it's O. And what is this? O. Octopus. O. Octopus. And your word is orange. Very good. Orange. O. Octopus. O. Orange. Okay, which letter is this? Yes, it's letter A. A. And what is this? Apple. Apple. And your word is Arrow. Very good. Apple. Arrow. So kids, I hope you have enjoyed today's activities. Matching activity, tissue roll activity. That was again the matching one. And now these words. Find out the new word with the same letter. Now what you have to do, you have to try to write and on your notebooks capital and small letters. आपने अपनी नोटबुक पे जो आपको घर में दी गई है उस पर आपने कैपिटल लेटर और स्मॉल लेटर्स लिखने हैं ताकि आपकी राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. ओके, टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.